Hi, I'm Ken Reynolds, the furnace guy. Today we're going to talk about how to break your furnace belt so that you can shorten it, or perhaps you want to remove it. This 12 inches of belt here exists because it was taken out of a furnace because due to normal belt life, belts stretch in normal operation. When this belt was new, it was exactly 25 inches wide, and over the passage of time it's lost about 1/16 of an inch of width. As you can see, it's now about 24 and 15/16 wide, but that narrowness occurs because the belt stretches, becomes elongated a little bit, slightly. So with the stretching of each of these individual spirals, collectively it adds to the length of the belt, and over time you get what's normally, in this case, about 12 inches of excess length. So to take the length out, we're going to have to break the belt. The belt is broken by probably the tools you should gather: a good pair of end cutters that perhaps has some mechanical advantage to it. These, in this case, 12 gauge wire can be difficult to cut through. We're going to make a cut on the opposite side. To remove the rod, simply grasp it with the needle nose pliers. Pull it away, and you've broken the belt. The belt is now broken into two pieces, so you can work with it, remove it, unwind it for cleaning, or simply pull up an extra foot or so that you're shortening it, and then slide it back together. And reinstall the cross rod. The belt is joined and will stay reliably mechanically attached.